Have you ever wondered how fireworks are made? They're like a special kind of magic that lights up the night sky. Let's explore the exciting world of fireworks together. Fireworks have three important parts: the shell, the explosive mixture, and the colorful stars. The shell is like a protective cover made of strong paper or plastic. Inside the shell, there's a special mix of chemicals called the explosive mixture. This mixture is what makes fireworks go boom. Now, let's talk about the stars inside the firework, not the ones in the sky. These stars are tiny pellets made of different chemicals. When they burn, they produce amazing colors like red, blue, green, and gold. When you light a firework, a fuse starts burning and reaches the explosive mixture. Then, something incredible happens. The mixture explodes. The explosion creates gases that expand really fast. This powerful force makes the shell burst open, and the stars shoot out into the sky, making beautiful patterns and filling the night with the dazzling colors. Remember, fireworks are amazing, but they're also dangerous. Always leave fireworks to the professionals and enjoy their shows from a safe distance. Let the magic of fireworks bring joy and wonder to your night. Tell me in comment section below what you would like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.